Australia unfortunately scores very lowly on the OECD innovation list. This has remained consistent despite a strong research focus and substantial investment. MFI is proud to be working with the Monash Food and Dairy GRIP program. We've been commissioned to undertake a series of 3 hands-on workshops designed to upskill GRIP participants in the art and the science of successful innovation.
I'm Cordelia Salamoya. I'm a professor in chemical engineering and I'm also the director for the Monash Dairy and Food GRIP. One of the unique aspects of the GRIP program is that we provide professional development workshop for the student. And the workshop that we did are tailored for these particular sectors. We engaged Monash Food Innovation to run some of the workshops for us this year because we want the student to also understand from the food industry perspective what are the tools that are available for them to develop their ideas. We ran 3 workshops with Monash Food Innovation this year. The first one was young entrepreneurs, and the idea of that workshop is to encourage the student to think about how they can be entrepreneurs in their own project, and later on when they develop their career in the food industry, also in where they end up working.
The second workshop concentrated on bringing new products to life from the seed of an idea to shelf. The concept creation workshop is a structured, human-centered ideation session. The best ideas turned into products and packaging prototypes, complete with unique, sustainable propositions to make them successful in the marketplace.
Those type of skills are very important, and not just for our students, even for our academics.
To complete Monash Food Innovations series, the last workshop will focus on design-led thinking. MFI and MARTA's D-Lab will take students through the essential methods to help identify, understand, and increase their understanding of both their value chain and the commercialisation pathway that their research will take.
We are keen to assist your research to commercialisation and would relish the chance to discuss this further.